So March 4 is the confirmed date for the global release of the Redmi Note 10 series, the Redmi Note 10 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So these devices were due to be released towards the end of last year, because Redmi releases 2 Redmi Note series every year. Now, while I'm seeing the Redmi Note 10 series last year, we saw a revamped Redmi Note 9 series, the Redmi Note 9 4G, the Redmi Note 9 5G, and the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. Now, these devices were China exclusive devices, and recent leaks have shown that the Redmi Note 10 series should actually be a rebranded Redmi Note 9 series. And if that's to be true, then we should see a 6.67 inch IPS LCD with a sporty 120Hz refresh rate and a big 108 megapixels main camera. Now, this 108 megapixels camera should not be mistaken with the 108 megapixels camera used on some of Xiaomi's flagships and Samsung's flagships. That is a 1/1.33 inch sensor, while this is a 1/1.52 sensor. One fear I have about this Redmi Note 10 series is I just hope the phone is not bigger than its predecessor, which was a 6.67 inch smartphone, and to be honest, that was quite large to hold in the hand. And if this is actually going to go more than that, so we should expect like a 6.72 inch, which is super big. Like, that's a tablet size already, almost approaching a 7 inch. And to hold that in the hand, it's actually very hard, honestly. Now, a recent poll that was conducted on Twitter on the Redmi India page, where Xiaomi asked people for their opinion, either a 120Hz IPS LCD or an AMOLED display, and 88.2% went for an OLED display, which further goes to show that Xiaomi might actually opt for an OLED display instead of an IPS LCD. But we hope to see a high refresh rate on this display. So as we are approaching the global launch of this device, we should expect more leaks, more reports, and more news from both Xiaomi's end and from leak stars. So that's all for the launch of the Redmi Note 10 series. Now, February 22nd, I'm dropping a special video to celebrate my 1 year as a tech YouTuber. And to do this, I want to do a question and answer section where I'll be answering most of your questions. Now, feel free to drop them both in the comment section down below. You can also follow me on my social handles, which are on the description down below, to drop the questions, and it should be fun. Yeah, it should be fun. But please, I would love to entertain more of the tech questions than my personal life questions, but feel free to drop it. Now, if you want to comment further about the Redmi Note 10 series, you can do that in the comment section down below. And if you also want to ask questions about it, I'll also reply them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and toggle on the bell icon to get notified when I drop my content. It's been Adeko from Revi, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.